me light on it?
Check. Yo, Solo, how you turn that fan on?
Aquí. Gotta be on 13. 14.
Shut up, Kirby.
Oh, somebody's banging on the door. Freeze.
Where's it at? Yo, the cam gears are the same. You hear me? Huh? 16.5. Check it again. 15. Go to 14. Oh my God. 14. Dirty nigga, stop fucking around, bro.
I'll be able to push. Like a bike, my nigga.
Ah, God, can't go that way. Oh my God.
I'm not fucking out recording.
No, answer that. He's like, oh, he don't want to do aggressive timing because he's my bill's car. Tell him aggressive timing. You want your $3,000 back? You want to make money? Aggressive timing. Put it aggressive than mine because it's a sleeper. And we're leaving with stock suspension. This is stock suspension with a socket in the back.
Get that green light again.
Don't tell me what's going on. The beat is right. Where's my lighter, fam?
What are you doing, recording?
Yeah.
Oh, record me, man.
Yo, it's coming from Sneeze, but I'm just saying it. Everybody got the 8th. Oh no, he said the 330.
The whole world got the 330.
Yo, you know this car got no VTEC, right?
Nah,
Killer cam. You hear me? It's got a rocker set up. Alright. You hear VTEC, you can smack it.